Thinking about you, always dreaming about you. How you got me.
Hi everyone, Petal is Bless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys a mirrored wall art that I'm going to make. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, I have these canvas boards that I got from the Dollar Tree. Two small ones, artist canvas called. And then I have a larger one that I got from the Dollar Tree. This one's 11 by 14. Got them all at the Dollar Tree. And we have a round mirror from the Dollar Tree. And we have the square mirrors also from the Dollar Tree. And I have some the silver forks, plastic forks here. I might be using those. And we have some beads, all from the Dollar Tree. And we have some craft sticks. And I have this silver metallic spray paint, which I got from Walmart. And we have our E6000, our scissors, and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, I've switched up my idea. I'm going to add these flowers that I had from before, and I spray painted some of them silver and some leaves silver. I left these ones white. And I'm going to add some Mod Podge to add some glitter. Just going to put the Mod Podge on and then sprinkle some glitter over all the flowers. And now for our small canvas board, which I spray painted silver, we're going to just put some bling on it. We're going to use the hot glue gun. And now we're going to add our mirrors to our design. We're going to use the E6000 and some of the hot glue gun to hold it in place now. And just place one at the top and one at the bottom. And now we're going to take one of our flowers and glue it, hot glue it, to the center of our design. Here's the larger canvas, which I also spray painted silver, and I'm going to use the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. With the hot glue gun, I'm just going to glue the bling wrap all over the canvas. And if your Dollar Tree doesn't have this canvas board, you could use the foam boards and just cut it down to size, and you can make this wall decor using the foam boards from the Dollar Tree. And now it's time to place our mirrors onto our canvas, you guys. So the round mirror is going to go in the center, and we're just going to use some E6000 and some hot glue. If you don't have an E6000, the Dollar Tree has Fix-All glue, which is also very good that you can use. And now we're going to place the square mirrors on the four corners. And doing the same thing, we're going to use the hot glue gun and the E6000 to place them down. Now we're going to add some flowers to our design, you guys. Using the hot glue gun, we're going to glue down the flowers. And now we're going to add the silver leaves to only the two outer silver flowers. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think it looks very nice, all fresh and ready for spring. And I just wanted to let you guys know I used the command strip to hang these up. I used the large command strips, which in the middle picture I used 3, and the two end ones I used 1 each. Yeah, the command strips, you can get them from Walmart. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice and fresh and ready for spring. Yeah, if spring is ever going to come with this weather that we've been experiencing. But I think it looks very nice. Alright, everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely wall home decor for your home for you to do. Tell me how you like it down in the comment section. And don't forget to like and share this video and press that subscribe button if you haven't, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye, everyone.
I'm just thinking about you, always dreaming about you. How you got me tonight? Oh no, we gon' stop by saying love.